This is how you turn a 90-degree elbow into a 30 or a 45. Measure your throat and measure your heel. Now divide those two measurements by 90 and times it by the degree that you want. I'm going to calculate the heel. 9.75 divided by 90 equals 0.108. Times that by 30 degrees and we get 3 1/4. Mark your elbow. Now wrap your pipe around your mark, so I'm using my circumference tape for this. I fat fingered the calculator. Here's the correct measurement. All right, let's see how we did. I'm no pipe fitter, but I think that works pretty well. That's it for this one. I'll see you on the next.